Want to start sending emails in MailerLite today? In the next few minutes, we'll set up your account, verify your email, and get you oriented so that you're ready to import subscribers and send your first campaign. The first thing you'll do is head over to MailerLite.com and then hit the big green sign up button. Note that you'll get a trial of premium features when you sign up. This will take you over to a page where you can fill in your company or organization info, like name, email, and set your password. If you're signing up with a free email domain like Gmail, then there can be limitations, so keep that in mind if you're setting this up for a business. Once you've filled everything out, select Create My Account. Next, you'll be brought to your account setup screen, where you can answer some questions to help tailor your MailerLite experience. First, answer who you're creating this account for. We'll select Myself for now. You'll get an option to enter your business website, but it's not required. Hit Continue. Then it'll ask what industry your business is in. We'll put education for this demo. Then you'll need to add an address. This is to ensure that you're compliant with regional policies and regulations. Check out our terms of use if you'd like to learn more. You'll need to enter a real business address or PO box when creating your account. Next, you'll be asked about your goal with email marketing. Do you want to just send your first email, grow your subscriber list, or sell products? Select the option that best fits and then hit Continue. Lastly, you'll have the option to join our very own email newsletter, where you'll get weekly email marketing tips, guides, and product updates. Select your option and then hit Continue. The final step is to confirm your email address. We've got a couple of buttons to direct you to some of the popular providers, but the main thing here is to head over to your inbox and hit the Verify Email Address button in the confirmation email that was sent. When you first get to your dashboard, you'll be presented with a Get Started checklist. This includes things like creating your first email to get introduced to our drag and drop builder, or depending on the goals you selected at the start, it may look a little different. When you choose Create Campaign, you'll be brought through a step-by-step guide on creating your first campaign. You can start from scratch. You'll be presented with a short guide to help get you started. Next, if you already have an email list, you can go ahead and add subscribers. Make sure that any subscribers that you're adding here have already consented to receive email communications from you. If you want to learn more about adding subscribers, check out our knowledge base linked in the description. Next, we have connecting your domain. This is essential, and we've also got knowledge base articles and video tutorials to help guide you through all of these steps. Be sure to check those out if you ever need step-by-step help with any aspect of our app. Then, hit Finish Onboarding. We trust that you'll be using MailerLite to build meaningful engagement between your brand and audience, but if you've ever thought to yourself, is this okay to send? You might want to check out our terms of use to ensure you're sending appropriate content. And that's it for account setup. Now go on and create that first campaign, and check out our other videos for step-by-step guidance on creating campaigns, importing subscribers, designing forms, workflows, and so much more.